During this video, we're going to look at the area of a triangle. So far, what we've done is found that the area of a rectangle, so area of a rectangle, I'm just going to draw a shape, equals the length multiplied by the width. Now, if we think of this rectangle here, and I want to form a triangle, what I can actually do is cut that in half. And then I'll form two triangles. So think of that, and we're going to look at how we can actually come up and calculate the formula. So here, I've got a triangle. That's 5 units high, 4 units wide. You can see the area is equal to 10 square units. Now, as I move that, so as I change the height and the base of it, what you'll notice, so now the height is 8, the base is still 4, and the area is 16 square units. I go back to 7, the height's 7, the base is 4. Okay, if I move it, the height is 2, the base is 2, the area is 2 square units. The height is 4, the base is 6, the area is 12 square units. So hopefully you can see from that if I've got the height, so I'll write that down, the height equals 4, let's just say 4 centimeters for this, and the base equals 6 centimeters. And we're saying the area is equal to 12 centimeters squared. So if I just purely look at the numbers, 6 multiplied by 4, that's going to equal 24. My answer is 12. Okay, so what you can actually see is what they've done to get that answer is they've halved 6 multiplied by 4. Okay, so like we saw at the beginning, the triangle can be broken, a rectangle can be broken in half. So therefore, our area of a triangle, the formula is going to equal a half multiplied by the base multiplied by the height. So this is like our rectangle. Okay, our base, you could say the length, and the height is the width. So that's our rectangle, and then we need to multiply it by a half because we're cutting our rectangle in half. So now what I want you to do is use that formula to try and apply it to these two triangles to calculate the area. So the first one, the height is 12, the base is 5. And the second one, the base is 15 and the height is 8. So pause the video and have a go at that now. So I'm hoping you've had a go. So the area is equal to half multiplied by the base, which is 5, multiplied by 12. So if I think of that, 5 times 12 is 60, and half of that, so it's going to be 30 centimeters squared. Number 2, the area is equal to a half multiplied by the base, which is 15, multiplied by 8. 15 times 8 is 120, so half of that is going to be 60 meters squared. So when you're looking at finding the area of a triangle, you've got to remember it is half of a rectangle or a parallelogram that we'll look at during our next lesson.